day one, Friday. We're getting bagels right now, and then we're gonna head out to the venue and meet some of you guys and try not to get kicked out. Kind of like this too, like
maybe a little interlocking.
How'd you get in here?
Who?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
What's wrong with me?
It doesn't look like you have a red badge.
Let's clear the aisles because they are going to run.
What's going on? Rivers Edge Cutlery. It's currently Blade Show, day 2. Early birds are running in. Everybody's going wild. Pretty insane. Check this out. He said don't run again. Alex right there.
They got the big display up top.
How are you?
Hey.
Nice to meet you, finally.
The same.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, for sure. Now we can do your thing, business. We have plenty of time so we can get to know each other.
Yeah,
So
awesome.
later on tonight, and we'll talk, and tomorrow and all around. Looking
Good
forward
deal.
to hear all about your piloting and all
Yep.
the things there. Nice.
Yeah, good to see you.
We have plenty of time so we can get to know each other.
Oh yeah, how was the trip over?
Oh, you want
I missed
to-
out on one a couple months
Yes,
ago,
I bet so.
and
I want to show you something special.
I just wanted something super basic.
Social experiment time. First person to bring me a Chick-fil-A sandwich gets a free knife.
I don't think anyone's paying attention to
I don't know, dude.
I'm hungry, guys. Let's need to find someone quick.
I'm not going, but good try.
Find someone. Nothing quite yet. Keep moving. We gotta make it down closer to Chick-fil-A.
A Chick-fil-A sandwich? Yes, you want to walk with us? We'll buy all 3 of you a Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Dude.
And fries.
She threw her hand up.
She just ate her sandwich. She just ate it. It's like I shouldn't have eaten it.
Hey, what's this?
Oh.
What's this? We do. What? That's not what it says. It says bring a Chick-fil-A sandwich.
I don't know.
No?
Boy's hungry. He needs a full Sammy.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, they're sold out.
They're sold out of the chicken sandwiches? Chick-fil-A's probably confused as to why they just got so much business.
Yeah, for real. We should probably get a commission off of that.
They better start following them.
I got it! I can't believe I found one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We got lunch now, boys.
Is it the right one?
It's the right one. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too. Lunch has been served. That's the easy way to do it.
I wish I could wake up in a new Bugatti. This is really cool. It's really interesting. It mixes that tactical and class. How do you feel?
Good. It's a good day one. There's a lot to see, so.
Dude, it's only day one.
We should go check out TRM.
That's what Zach got.
in the case. Yeah.
That thing's sick.
That is super cool.
Dude, the machine lines on it. I mean,
When I get home, anything will get loaded when I get home, but I didn't.
We're heading to the second room. We're gonna go check out the Pete's Pirate Life pirate ship.
is this a bad time to mention I'm scared of the water?
Yeah, probably. We're sailing away, baby.
Climb on up there.
Aye, aye, Captain. It's pretty cool.
This is wicked. How did we get stuck manning the booth?
I don't know, man. Too many meetings going on today.
Apparently. What do you think, Eric?
We're the jobbers. We get it done.
All right, Matt. We made something for you out of the custom shop.
Oh, dude.
Tactile.
So, I am very good friends with Tactile Turn, but I don't have one of their skinny pens yet. And a bunch of our guys here forgot a pen for the show. So I keep loaning my Tactile out of my pocket, giving it, and then being penless. It was perfect. The minute you're giving it to me, I'm taking the one out, giving it to Bob. It's perfect, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let me see that thing. Put it in there.
Alrighty guys, that's a wrap on Blade Show Day 1. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, bright and early. We're not done with the vlog though, so we're gonna hang out, maybe go to the pit later, go get some drinks, some food, bring you guys along though.
Hour and a half wait here, what do you think? Whoa, really?
Hour and a half wait.
Man, that food must be good. Papacitos!
And that's how long of a wait they have. Because we can spend forever driving around.
Going to eat, baby.
Oh, jeez. You think you're gonna get issues?
No, when you go to...
What do you think to eat, Riley?
There's so many places, so many options. I don't even know.
Whoever
Whoever can fit all the homies. We decided on chicken wings tonight.
Dinner was great. We're heading back to the house, and then we'll catch you guys tomorrow at Blade Shed Day 2.
We're gonna party.
We're gonna party it up though. So, pool with the boys.
Not swimming. Not swimming.
No. Me and Doug are gonna like shoot some pole, you know. So,
What do you think, Chad? What are we doing tonight?
I have no idea, man.
Chad's gonna hit this.
I'm old. I'm going home. Going to sleep.
Chad is the young man at heart. That's why he looks like this. Ladies, men, I don't know. Whatever.
I hope your girlfriend doesn't watch these vlogs.
I should love it, man. It's fine.
No, those two babies. Riley should go ask the security guard to wear his hat for a second.
Yo,
Let's go.
go pocket dump the security guard.
Hey, let's go.
Want to do an EDC pocket dump?
Yeah, what you got?
What are you carrying?
Got a lighter? You got a lighter? Oh, yeah? Escape. Nice. After work activities.
Ooh.
Always got them.
Chapstick.
Put it on the side.
The fixed blade.
What you got?
Hot smoke karambit.
Hot smoke?
Hot still.
Hot still. Who makes it?
Smith & Wesson.
Gotcha. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Good program.
Super cool. Cool. Thank you.
Alrighty guys, end of day 1 for Blade Show. We're heading to do some other things tonight, but we'll catch you guys tomorrow right back here on the floor.